Welcome ladies and gentlemen, it's Iceblade here for another YouTube video. Today we're doing Direct Play. Now Direct Play in Windows 10, it seems like by default it's not enabled. Now in older days we used to know Direct Play as something that was working with your network, enabling online play and stuff like that. So in Windows 10 it seems that you need it for the older applications, older games, and I ran into an issue where I was trying to assist someone with Trackmania Nations Forever, older game, and it turned out we needed to enable his Direct Play. Mine was enabled and I didn't pick up the area, went through many fault finding stuff until we stumbled upon Direct Play. Now Direct Play is also used in the older games, like I said, older apps, network related games, online play games, and I used it for emulators for mobile gaming on your desktop. Now, so if you have any issue where you get a Direct Play error or you have issues even in modern games, I would suggest enabling Direct Play. Now if it doesn't work for you, you can just disable it. It's very fast. I'm quickly going to show you. So easiest way is just to go to the search at the bottom of your Windows and start typing Windows, then space and feet for the short for feature. Then you'll see it turns up with turn Windows features on and off. If we press on that, we get a window that says Windows features. Now in Windows features, because we're dealing with the older stuff, if you remember my video about the older webcam, we had to basically fix it with a legacy device. Legacy meaning older, and now we're dealing with older, and it's going to be legacy components. So look for legacy components. In front of it, it'll have a plus sign, meaning that there's a menu below legacy components. If you open that up, it should have Direct Play. Now mine is already marked, so if yours is not marked, just mark it there and then you press the OK. My process is already done, so nothing happens. With yours, it'll bring up another page that says, do you want to install this feature? And you click on install the feature, and then it'll go to process, and the next page will say Direct Play is now enabled in your Windows. Magic is to then restart your PC and Direct Play will enable with the fresh restart, and then after that always. If it doesn't work for you, you can, like I said, just switch it off, doing reverse what we now did. But yeah, it can help in older games, even modern games. Give it a try. If you have any issues with this is plain and simple, but I mean, pop down the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, please click like, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. We do need some visitors and subscribers to our channel so that we can see in what direction we take this in the future. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.